Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jay Carter. And today I'm trying a thing. So I am going to run you through sort of what I am doing tonight. First, I want to introduce you to the Grimoire People, Places, and Things random character generator. It doesn't only randomly generate characters, it also randomly generates places and things, all for 5th edition. Why do I not make this available to other people, you ask? Well, there's a very simple answer to that. I don't know if I did, whether or not I would be sued or asked to stop by WotC. So I don't. Instead, I use it myself to enhance my own Dungeons & Dragons games. But let me show you how it works. So right now, I am working on a little project where I'm taking these little minis and I'm deciding what they might be if I were to make characters out of them. And so I figure this guy looks like a paladin to me, and he looks like he's got a shield and a suit of plate mail, and he's got a sword back there, but this guy is not interested in the sword. He's got the big axe. And so I want to make him a paladin, and I want to give him an axe. And as you can see, there's a little axe down here, which is super great. There's a hand crossbow. We assume he's got one of those in there somewhere. Here's some plate armor, shield and missile attraction. Oh, that's great. All that was randomly generated. I've made him a level 20 paladin noble, and I can choose from all these different things here. This is just using data validation to pull from other parts of the spreadsheet. The paladin I can change to whatever I want, male or female, and then it suggests, on each of these, it suggests something random. So for example, here it suggests a noble, which is perfect because that's what I chose. Here it suggests a bard. You might choose an alignment, suggested chaotic good. Neutral good is fine with me. I'm cool with that. I've programmed in like a crud ton of races, and each of those races has as many variants as I can possibly grab. As you can see, I've got a bunch of different sources over here that I'm pulling from. So I've got the Player's Handbook, Volo's Guide to Monsters. Is that what it's called? Volo's Guide to Monsters? I think that's what it is. Volo's Guide to Monsters. Inside of Volo's Guide, you can have the PC races or the monster races. I have included both. Mordenkainen's Tome of Foes, Elemental Evil Player's Companion, one-shot PDFs such as Grung Above and the Turtle Package, I think, are the ones that I pulled in from there. WGTE, of course, is the Wayfinder's Guide to Eberron. This was before the Eberron book actually came out. I have yet to actually add the Eberron, the official Eberron races. And so if you see any Eberron stuff in here, it's from the PDF days, not from the published book days. I haven't quite, and it took me a long time to get all this stuff programmed in. So unfortunately, I think that's how it's going to stay. GGTR, the Guildmaster's Guide to Ravnica, Plane Shift PDFs, where you find like your Magic the Gathering sort of planes. I've got, I think, Zendikar, Ixalan, a couple of other ones. I can't remember. I don't think I have all of them in there. They might have come out with more. And then, of course, Tales of Athanasia, the stuff that I specifically built for my campaign setting. So, for instance, I've got the Boreans, the Corvians, and the Winsleys. The Boreans are mole folk, Corvians are crow folk, and no, they are not the same as the Raven folk. For some reason, because this is like the first time that I'm really using this technology, I'm suddenly just not functioning. The Raven folk, Kenku. There you go, Tengu. Call them what you will. I come from Pathfinder days. Anyway, and then the Winsleys, which are like spider trees. They're super cool. So all that stuff, and then the feats, of course, are built in. Oh, look, these books. I'm going to end in a little bit, so I'll be right back with another video about this stuff. Thanks.